Our family business began manufacturing brushes for the dairy and agricultural industries in 1922. The company is still family owned and is now run by the fourth generation of the Coward family. Our mission has always been to develop high quality and innovative products in an environmentally sustainable way. We strongly believe in innovation and have a dedicated product development team who are responsible for the continuous research and development of our products. Our ever popular antimicrobial Hygienic range is at the forefront of our innovation. These products are specifically designed for high-risk food areas, for example, in food processing. Let me now show you how these products are manufactured. The process starts here in the moulding department. Polypropylene granules are fed into these hoppers and make their way down these tubes into our injection moulding machines. Here the plastic granules and silver iron-based antimicrobial additive are heated to melting point, extruded by force through dies and rapidly cooled. The products then fall down into these bins where our operators check each product for quality control. The next stage is inserting the filaments into the brush backs. Our high-end machines make light work of this task by drilling holes into the brush backs and inserting each tuft of fibre, which is then secured in place by food-grade stainless steel staples. The next step is the Hillbrush trade secret, in this room behind me. We're flooding the brush backs with antimicrobial resin to further secure the filaments and seal the surface to ensure that bacteria cannot accumulate in these areas. At the packing stage of the production line, all our products are individually packaged in heat-sealed bags to ensure that they stay clean during transit and to follow the theme of creating the most hygienically safe products for our customers around the world.